Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family. I welcome you all to my Divine Energy Tarot channel. Today we will see Aquarius zodiac reading for the month of February. How will be your February month, or what is your energy, what is going on, or what is coming up for you. Energy check-in for the Aquarius people for the month of February. Let's see. Someone's birthday might be coming in. Okay, someone's birthday. In your group, from your group. Okay. Let's see. Aquarius people, how will be your February month? Something new is going to start. Oh, heartbroken. Aquarius people. I think you are waiting for someone. You're confused between two options. Either you are confused between two options, or either you are waiting for someone or something. Definitely. Some of you are married who's watching this, or some of you are waiting for your wedding to happen, marriage to happen. You want to marry someone from your past who has left you out in the cold. Who has broke your heart or kept you in a third party. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Strongly I am seeing either you or your person's intuition is quite strong. Mysterious vibe also I am feeling. Sagittarius, if you were dealing with a Sagittarius person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, I think that person has left you out in the cold. He was in and out of your life, or who has kept you, or that person has kept you in third party, or else he has or she has broke your heart. Currently you are single people watching this. Younger single people vibe I am getting, who is quite independent, earning on their own. Maybe not so much extra money, but earning that you can pay your bills. You can just take out your own expenses. So some sort of those vibes I am getting. Independent people are watching, and for some of you married people are watching. So currently those who single, someone has broke your heart and kept you in a third party, or if not, then you have they have behaved very coldly, or in and out. They were in and out on your in your life. They have they confused you, some sort of those line I am feeling. And if you are married, then you are waiting for someone or some communication, or maybe it is from out of country, somewhere from far away, or either you want to get married and you have been confused between two options, or juggling between two options. I am feeling like that. Okay. And you feel burden also sometimes. If you are married, you are quite burdened by your responsibility. I feel like that. How will be your February month? So I feel like that in February month your intuition is going to be quite strong. For some, for few of you, I am feeling you can be a tarot reader, spiritual person, astrologer, psychic medium, or a manifester, good manifester, white witch. And if you are not, you can become, okay, because your intuition will be very strong in the month of February. I feel like that. And this can be your person also, with whom you dealing with. Definitely your heart has been broken very badly. I can see that you want to get married. Currently you are single people watching this, and younger people are watching. Even if you are not young age wise, I am feeling more of a younger vibe. Okay, younger vibe. It is energy. Okay, age does not define us. Okay, even if you are elder watching this, but your vibe is quite younger. Okay, your nature is quite younger. Let's see two more cards I want to pull out for you guys. Let's see. Some sort of celebration. I've told you, like in the starting of the video, someone's birthday might be coming. Okay. Someone's birthday might be coming, and some sort of celebration will happen with your friends or with your close ones or with your family members. But I feel like someone's birthday, some of your friends' birthday, uh, someone's birthday from your friends circle or friends, I feel like that some sort of celebration or birthday is coming up. Okay. For some of you, and I also feel that someone has behaved very cold heartedly, someone has ditched you, deceived you, you know they have kept you out in a cold, behaved very coldly, harshly. They might have used sharp tongue also. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign you are dealing with, or you were dealing in the past. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also I'm seeing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also I'm seeing. Almost every sign is there, but strongly Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn I am feeling. Yes. And Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also I am feeling. So that person has kept you in a third party and behaved very cold with you. Hmm. Quite you are quite upset. You need healing. Okay, you need healing. Your heart chakra needs to be healed. Okay, because you are still in that grief. Let's see how will be your February month. I feel like the person, if you were dealing with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, that person will come again. That person wants to have something new, new beginning with you. They want victory with you. They want to start something new with you. It can be a very physical or passionate relationship. Okay. If your person if this person is from your past and they have broke your relationship, or they have kept you in a third party, or they have behaved very coldly or sharp tongue they have used, or they can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, then they are coming back. For some percentage, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces they can be. So they are coming back and they want new beginning with you, but I don't want you to entertain them. Just work on yourself, because they want a passionate new beginning with you. They want physical relation with you. They still not looking for any sort of commitment. They just have a ego and they just want victory with you. If you have stopped talking to them, you are not entertaining them anymore, then though you are hurt, you are thinking about them, but still you are not taking any bullshit from them, then they are like, now it's making them confused and they want victory with you, but they are not taking any action. But there are chances in February month they'll come and talk to you. Very passionate new beginning they want to start with you. They want to have a physical relationship with you. I would suggest you to not to entertain them, okay, until and unless they are very sure. Okay. They might be so attracted to you, or this can be your energy. You are very attracted to, might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. This can be you or your person's energy. Okay. So you might be quite attracted to somebody strongly. I am also seeing strong passionate nights, strong passionate physical sexual relationships as well with your person, with your relationships with others. Okay, I am seeing that. Let's see. Some of you might love to wear a jewelry. Some of you might love to wear earrings, or some of you might love to wear some sort of jewelry or delicate things you love to wear. Delicate things. Some of you might love to wear some sort of caps or hats or some sort of crowns or hairstyles. If you are a tarot reader or a YouTuber watching this, you love to do some sort of hairstyling or haircut every now and then. You try different makeups and different looks, or you wear a crown while coming on YouTube channel, or you know doing reading cards. You love to wear some sort of crown, caps, hats, some sort of hairstyle, earrings, big earrings, small earrings, or some sort of necklace, or some sort of jewelry you love to wear, or delicate things you love to wear, or different looks you try, different clothes, hairstyles. Especially I'm seeing crowns, hairstyles, makeup, earrings, big earrings I'm seeing, hats and caps I'm seeing you love to wear. Might be initials for you. We have received R and D. Okay. So like I've said, you love to wear jewelry and delicate things, or caps or hats. See, and also camera we have received. So you might be a tarot reader who is doing readings online on YouTube. And you can be a tarot reader and YouTuber both, and or one of them, or else something regarding camera. Definitely camera. So your work involves camera. Definitely you can be I'm seeing tarot reader, witch, spiritual person, astrologer, uh, YouTuber, photographer, videographer, camera person. You are working maybe in journalism also, for some of you, journalism, news channel. I also feel like for some of you, or else if you are a lady watching this, you love to wear you know some sort of delicate things, some sort of new hairstyles you try, big earrings, small earrings, delicate things you love to wear, caps, hats, crown, jewelry, earrings, delicate, big earrings. So some sort of those things I am feeling. 2 number we have received. So some of you might want to get married. There are chances you will come into a partnership. If you are looking for getting married and you have two options, then I feel like you will get married to the perfect person. You will finalize the person in the February month. And if you don't have anyone, there are chances somebody will come. Okay. And they from your friend circle, someone will propose you. And if something was going on in your life, you will receive the solution. I also want you to heal your heart chakra, work on your heart chakra, listen to some healing music on YouTube, heart chakra healing music on YouTube, and heal your heart chakra. You need it because you are in grieving mode. Still you feel the grief, whatever happened in the past, whoever hurt you badly. So don't worry, your partnership issue will be resolved. There are chances in February it will resolve. And there are chances, if you want some sort of new beginning or change in your life, it will happen. I feel like those who's watching you, I feel like more of a party vibe, funky clothes, party, happening, cool, chill vibe I am getting, drinking, uh, you know partying, clubbing, those sort of vibe I am getting. And if not, then you are a YouTuber, rock star, celebrity, or tarot reader, some sort of those lines, which involves camera. Or at least you can be a journalist or famous person. Definitely, if you want to be more famous, there are chances in the month of February it can happen for you guys. And you love, if not, then you love to wear lot of different jewelry, or you love to try new things on your looks, or you love different sort of hairstyle. I feel like that. Let's see the messages for you. Many messages are coming. These are the messages from the person who is most on your minds, who is most on your mind, and they are saying that they are giving you hints, but you are not understanding. See, in February month, someone from Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is coming, but they are not taking action. They are giving you hints so that you can contact them. Okay, those sort of vibe I am feeling. You are cutest. Your person, the most on your mind, is saying that you are cutest. Cry, shout. So you are maybe crying, or your person is maybe crying or shouting on others because you are not there in their life anymore. you can count on me. So your person is saying in past they were in and out or was not behaving immaturely, was behaving immaturely. So now they are saying that you can count on me. Okay, so you can rely on them, some, they are reliable person basically. Now they are saying money minded. So this person was a money minded person in past. Okay, let's see. I want to come back. See, this person wants to come back. If they are Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they want to come back because they were in and out, behaving immature. Now you are doing good. Now you are, become a celebrity. Now you are enjoying with your friends or having party. Now you are focusing on your hairstyle, on yourself, on your pampering, on your work. Then they want to come back. Till now they were very in and out, behaved coldly with you, broke your heart, kept you in third party. Now they want to come back, but they are not taking any action. In February month also they'll sit and watch and stalk you. They will give you hints, so that you contact them. They want you to come to them because they have ego. For some of you, I need you, they need you, but they are not taking any action, though they want to, but they are not taking any action. Young Memories Do Not Open by the Chainsmokers. Okay, this is a song, Young Memories Do Not Open by the Chainsmokers. Some of the lyrics might resonate with you, so you want to check out that song on YouTube. Jealous and possessive. So see, I've told you, like this, now you are enjoying with your friends. Now you have become a celebrity, or now you are focusing on your pampering, on your self-care, on your work, enjoying with friends, whatever situation you are doing or focusing on yourself. They are now jealous. Okay, they don't like you to go out with your friends or do concentrate on yourself. You are like an angel. Now they have realized you are an angel, but this person is quite possessive and jealous type of a person, though they know you are a very cute person. Wait, I am coming. So your person is saying, don't choose someone else, I am coming. Lame excuses. So this person might have given you lame excuses in past, while they were in and out of your life. If they were in and out of your life, they have given you lame excuses that I was busy, I was doing this, I was doing that, blah 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 blah, I can't do this, I can't do that. So they were in immature vibe, they were not mature enough, so they were giving lame excuses. But now they have realized, but still they are not taking any action. They're just wishing and wanting, but they are not taking any action. I am yours, you are mine. See, I am telling you, this is a person who is quite jealous and possessive type of person. This person, if this person has left you out in the cold, or used sharp tongue, or broke your heart, or kept you in a third party, you had a breakup with this person or some sort of argument, and now you are concentrating on yourself, you have become a tarot reader or a YouTuber or something you are doing on your own, whether you are focusing on yourself, either you are outing with your friends, doing party, or whether you are doing some changes in your body, in your hairstyle, doing some makeup, or trying different looks. So you have basically started focusing on your life, on your career, on yourself. So this person is now jealous and they don't want you to go somewhere else, and this person is behaving possessive. They don't want to take any action, but they want you to come towards them. Okay, so they are quite that type of a person, jealous type of a person. I will come to meet you. So they are saying they will come to meet you. There are chances they'll come again, but it will be completely out of passion. Okay, so I just want you to don't entertain them, just be aware, be cautious. Completely out of passion, they'll come and talk to you or come and try to meet you. Okay, see, they are currently not talking to you. You guys might be not in communication. They are not taking any action, but they want to they will give you some hints, and they want you to come to them, so you will go basically towards them. So that is why and if when you will not take action, then this person might contact you. There are chances, but it will be completely out of passion and not out of love. Okay, they might give you some surprise or gift, so they'll suddenly come to your place, or you'll suddenly contact you, or some give you some courier you some flowers, or give you some gift while you meet them, or suddenly they'll pop out in your life and or contact you, and you'll be surprised, so, because they have a lot of passion for you. That is why. uh, I was a fool. I think this person has love for you, but they have behaved very, because they were very immature. So, but now they have realized, I was a fool. They were behaving immaturely. This person has love for you, but he is not mature enough to handle a relationship. They don't have emotional maturity. I feel like that. My pumpkin. So they see you as pumpkin. Love. Raghav. Is this what they call love? Okay, this is a song, Love by Raghav. Is this what they call love? So this song's lyrics might resonate with you. They want to dedicate a song to you. Okay, so this person, he is still not realizing they are in love with you, because they don't have emotional maturity. They are still coming to talk to you because out of physical intimacy, because out of passionate feelings. So this person is quite still immature, so don't give so much attention to them, otherwise they'll go again. Okay, in and out, on and off will be continuing by them. So still they are not aware this is love. They love you, but still they are not sure. So just be aware, be cautious. There are chances they'll contact you. First they'll give you hints, but when you don't react, then after that they'll contact you or pop out suddenly in your life and give you some surprise. But don't they'll that will be out of completely out of passionate feelings. Okay, they love you though, but just be aware, because they are still not mature enough. Okay, so this is what I feel for you. I hope you really liked it. Please like, share, subscribe. These are my tarot cards, love messages, and charm reading style. You might love it, or you have liked it. I hope to see you in my next video. Have a wonderful February month. I love you all. Okay, bye bye.